So here's a bit more complex case of the notebook versioning. This is our cloned version of the original notebook. When we switch to the original notebook, we can see that there are significant changes. And we now know that we can easily compare two notebooks by going into our notebook, going to Show Branches section, and clicking on Compare. And here we can see the exact changes that were made. For example, these three nodes were deleted, and the links connecting to those were also deleted because of it. We can see that a new node has been added to the original notebook since we cloned. And there is one node that isn't exactly new, neither it was deleted, but its field has changed values. For each of those changes, we can actually select whether to apply the change to our notebook or not. For example, let be the case that this change of changing the year from 2011 to 2012 is a good change, and we would like to apply that change. So we can click on the button, and that change, when we switch to our cloned version of the notebook, we can see that it was applied. Now the year indeed is 2012. So in our comparison, we can see that this node has been deleted in the original version, but we still have it, as we can confirm currently. But if we are fine with the deletion of this node, we can also apply that change. So after clicking on a button, that node completely disappears, as we can see in our cloned version of the notebook. And the last that we already mentioned are the new additions. For example, this node was added to the original version, but is not present in our version, as we can see. So if we apply the change, if we apply the addition, we can now make sure that our notebook has also that same node. This process of picking whether to apply changes is the same for links and nodes. And let's just mention one more thing. If there is a change and you don't do anything with it, nothing will change on your version of the notebook. So, for example, here we see that the original notebook deleted these two nodes, but we are not fine with that change. We just simply don't click Apply Changes so that our version of the cloned notebook can stay the same.